Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BiggerPockets tools for real estate deal analysis, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable BiggerPockets tools for real estate deal analysis, start by navigating to the BiggerPockets website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and a password. If you already have an account, simply click on login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Locate the Tools section in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Hover over or click on Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Rental Property Calculator or Flip Calculator, depending on your analysis needs. You'll be taken to a page with the selected calculator. Familiarize yourself with the calculator's features and input fields. Enter your investment property details in the designated fields. This includes purchase price, repair costs, rental income, and other expenses. As you input data, the calculator will automatically calculate key metrics. Look for important figures such as cash flow, ROI, and cap rate. Once you have entered all necessary data, review your inputs for accuracy. Feel free to use the additional resources and tutorials provided by BiggerPockets for further assistance. If you want to save your analysis, look for the option to save or export your calculations. You can also join forums and discussion groups for advice and support. Using these tools can greatly enhance your understanding of real estate investments. Regularly revisit the tools to refine your analysis as you gain more experience. That's how you enable and use BiggerPockets tools for real estate deal analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.